We're on the rainforest walk in Cradle Mountain. So I'll show you the rainforest when we get there, because right now it doesn't really look like rainforest. So the ancient beach, which I think is only maybe found here. Okay, I already feel like I'm in the rainforest. So this is the Myrtle Beach, I think it's what it was called, Nothofagus. Sorry, I'm geeking out over plants. That looks pretty ancient. It's so much more cooler down here as well. Wow, look at that.
I keep thinking the rainforest is jungle.
Oh, we actually saw one. I think it's a paddy melon, or it could be a little wallaby, but she said the paddy melon
So
sort
it's
of...
a marsupial?
Yep.
Okay. We've seen heaps of roadkill, probably some of them.
Yeah, could be.
Alright.
Where did he go? Can't really see. Beautiful. Wow. All the moss. This is Pencil Pine Falls, and apparently we're lucky to see this in the sunshine because Cradle Mountain receives 2,000 millimeters of rain every year, so this is quite the treat. And the water is stained brown because of all the tannins leaking from the plants. So beautiful. So different to the mountains, all the vegetation.